Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. Today is going to be a beginner's guide to installing a cabin air filter. We'll be using a Fram Fresh Breeze part number CF12161. Let's get started. Cabin air filters were introduced in cars 2000 and newer, so if you have a newer car than 2000, then you should have a cabin air filter. You want to replace them every 30,000 miles. They help filter out all the bad pollution in the air that comes into your car from the outside, so they are kind of important. But the main thing is filtering out the pollutants in the air. Just think of it like your house. Your house has HVAC system has a filter, so you breathe nice clean air. So that's what you want to do in your car as well. Pretty much all cabin air filters will be located behind the glove box. That's usually where they're always at. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing you want to do is open it up. This one you push, and then down here is going to be your little dampener, so when you open it up it doesn't fall straight down. This person has not cleaned out their glove box, but it's okay. So first thing, you do want to clean out the glove box because it will have to come out. It's going to spill all on your floor if you don't. So go ahead and clean that out, and then I'll show you this dampener. Okay, so this is your dampener right here. So when you let it go, it helps slowly let it down instead of just a harsh fall. With this one, all you're going to do is pull out just like that. And see, now it just falls fast. Okay, so next there's two clips in here. One's right there and one's right there. All you do is reach in, turn them counterclockwise. Do the same for this one. Pull them out. Pull this other one out. It just falls right down. Now we can get to your cabin air filter. Okay, so this is where your cabin air filter is. As you can see, you got two here, two here. You're going to pinch them and pull. Comes right out, and there is your filter. Slide right out. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. As you can see, this one's a lot more dirty than this one. It's filthy. You don't want to breathe all this stuff in. Plus, this will make it smell better. So it's a good idea to change them. It's real easy. Okay, so now that you got your nice clean one, nice new and clean, to tell which way you need it to go, on the side will be an airflow. As you can see, this one says airflow down. So we want it to go in just like that. Make sure to get it over this lip. You want it pushed all the way in. Then this piece, you want the numbers at the bottom, but if you flip it over, you can see it's got this little lip right here. If you look in here, it also has a little lip. So you want to match those up. Push these together as you put it in. These little grooves are where the little clips fit into. So when it comes down, it stops it. And then, so all we're going to do is lift it up. We're going to stick it in there. Turn it clockwise. You'll feel it lock into place. Just like that. It'll be flush with the box. And now I can let go of the box and it won't fall. Now we're going to do the same for this side. If you look here, there's a notch cut out. And if you look at this, same thing. So you just want to line them up. There. Want to raise it up a little bit, spin it. Now it's locked into place. Once again, flush. Okay, now for the Glovebox dampener. As you can see, it's a little bit up there, so we're going to pull it down. And once you pull it down and get it right there, just push it right on there. Once you hear it click, you're good. Now we'll just close the Glovebox. And now we're finished. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.